Hey there, this is Wanda with Pretty Cute Press, and I'm going to show you how you can quickly personalize your left right story game for your party. So, when you access your file, you'll see a page that's called the setup list, and here is where you can go. Is the first stop you'll want to go to so that you can begin personalizing. Now you'll notice this is already pre-filled. So if you go down here to your story, and if you just want something quick that you can quickly and easily print out without making any changes, you can simply hit print on here and you're ready to go. But if you want to personalize it, then this you want to go to the setup page. So I'm just going to change this to Lakeview Park. I'm going to change my dog name, dog one, to Bella. I'm going to make this one Fido, this one Max, this one Skip, this dog name Chippy, and this one I'm going to name Alex. And I'm going to change the object to a skunk. Favorite treat, I'm going to change to bacon. And I'm going to change this to homework. And the host name, I'm going to change to Shelly. Okay. So once you have everything like you want, you made your changes, you'll just scroll down to your story and you'll notice that this has populated all of your answers from here into the story, and you're simply ready to print out. One thing to note, now while these fields are gray, this little bluish gray will not actually print off when you do your story. You'll just see these lines in here of what you've already added, and it's just that easy to quickly add in your own personal information and get a personalized story in just a few minutes. I hope you enjoy this way of customizing your story, and I hope to see you again. Bye bye.